Hello everyone, it's Lee O'Malley, real estate agent and realtor with Weikert Realtors in Doylestown, Pennsylvania. And here we are at 2945 North Banbury in Philadelphia. And this is definitely a fixer-upper home. And it's priced at $70,000. It's not my listing, but I've had a lot of interest on the street. In fact, I have a client closing on one property on the street next week. So it is definitely a work in progress. Someone started it and had not completed their job. Kitchen is begun. We have seen some ceiling work, put in some recessed lighting, finishing off the ceiling there with some drywall. New electrical is going in. It still is missing heat and radiators, so those need to be done. I'll quickly look at the back of the property real quick. And here we are. Little courtyard. We have some mortar work. Definitely needs to be repaired. And, modest home, but absolutely doable. And let's see here. Little side. Doors need to be completely reframed out. So there's a lot of finishing work that needs to be done here. But it's not significant. We'll save the basement here for the end. As you can see, just goes right to the outside. So we need to definitely be having things framed out. They've removed all the carpet. And okay, we'll come up and go to the rear. So we have a decent start here. They've done some plaster patching. And this is where a radiator would go. And the frame outs need to be finished up. Had some water damage here at some point. Bedroom number 2, small closet. This might have been an area where they had some real water issues, looks like. So not sure about the roof line. That would certainly add the roof. A roof replacement would certainly add to the cost of the renovation. Bathroom, we have efficient skylight. You get some nice light in here. The start of a renovation here. That wall is a little obtrusive, but I don't think I would have done that exactly. And the front room, the original built-ins. All right. Yeah. So, 70,000, that's probably about right, I would think, for this. Given the state that it's in currently, probably would take about 25,000 to get this up to snuff. A little more if the roof really needs significant work. Yeah, 25,000 or so. This would be great for a starter home for someone that had a little bit of experience with renovations. They could get an FHA home improvement loan, which would be an FHA loan at low money down. And then tacked onto that would be a construction loan. And that construction loan, the house would be valued on how much would the property be worth after the loan. We just had rains, and it is actually surprisingly not that wet down here. Better than most. I'm scared to think what's in here. Oh, right, here we go. Electricity outside. That's nice. Nice to have the exit to the outside. I don't see a drain here, but anyway. have not upgraded the electrical box, so there is some upgrades in electric. This is a pretty small heater, but it might be efficient enough for the size of a house, but I would imagine this is nearing the end of its lifetime. Water heaters don't have that long of a lifetime as it is, but this one might be in okay shape. We'd have to have a home inspector look. And, okay. It's our sewage pipe. Rusting, but it doesn't look significantly terrible. We definitely have had some water issues in this house in the past. There are spider webs, so it has had water, and it definitely is a moist basement. Anytime you see spider webs, there is moisture. Spiders will not be any place that is bone dry. I mean, remarkably in decent shape. Certainly we want a house inspector to go through it with a fine-tooth comb, but this could be, it's not full of junk. You wouldn't have a lot of, trash removal out of the property, which some properties in this condition have just been left with a ton of trash and debris. And so this is not so shabby as it goes. I would definitely, this would be recommended. I would definitely recommend a buyer that had some experience in renovations or wanted to take on a project that wasn't too massive. This is something I would encourage them to go after. Really great place. Again, 2945 North Banbury in Philadelphia at $70,000. Thanks for being with me on a little tour, and I look forward to bringing more of these properties to you. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Have a great day.